unboxing my Noobie Box. It's a free baby stuff from Noobie. Here's what's inside. It's little tissue. It comes with the greetings from mom. And you got this Noobie thing. And it comes with mom or mem. I don't know how you say it. Baby bottle. And with Aqua 4 diaper rash cream. And milk flow for breastfeeding. And we got this panty liner for mom. And we got this Cuties Complete Care. I don't want to open it yet, but it says right here, diaper size 1, 5 diapers inside. So it's a diaper. Cuties Complete Care diaper. And we got this Lancino samples inside. So it's 2 pads, 2 disposable nursing pads, and 2 breast milk storage bags. So this is from Lancino. And we got this water wipes. 2 packs water wipes. That's all. That's from Noobie Company, Noobie Box.